the National Irrigation Administration envisions to provide efficient irrigation services to the Filipino farmers. Along with its vision, it continues to plan, construct, operates, and maintain irrigation system to contribute to the inclusive growth of the country and the improvement of farmers' quality of life. One of the objectives of NIA is to increase irrigated areas contributing to the agricultural productivity. Zamboanga Del Norte Regional Sub-Office proposed pre-feasibility study for Mucas River Tampilisan Small Reservoir Irrigation Project for CY 2024. This project covers 3 municipalities, namely Godod, Salug, and Tampilisan respectively. It has an estimated total area of 3,975 hectares. The total estimated area was composed of rice land with an area of 683 hectares, corn production with an area of 1,173, and 2,119 hectares of potential area for agriculture development.